Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since the last time I've posted a video, but I'm doing a vlog again because I realized I've got nothing to do. I have no work because of the ECQ, because of the virus. So yeah, for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox my newly acquired toy. It's Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 10th Gen e-reader Wi-Fi waterproof. It's so cool. I'm so excited to unbox this. I've got my scissors to do this. If you're wondering how much is this Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, it's 7,520. Alright, so I'm going to get it. I hope the money is worth the price. So what's in the box? First, we have the cable charger. And what else? That's all. We have the manual. And lastly, we have the Kindle Paperwhite. Oh my god, it's so small. Look, it's so small. This is my iPad mini. This is the Kindle Paperwhite. Alright, so here it is. Power on. Where's the power button? Right now I'm going to set it up. It's preparing my device. It says here, preparing your device. So while it is loading, I don't know what will happen. Alright, so it need my password. I'm going to type my password. Save Amazon to... What's my password again? Yeah, I am not so sure about my password. I hope it works. Connect. Yeah, yes, it did. Alright, so basically I'm going to set up my Kindle account. I'm going to sync Goodreads and my Amazon account. And of course my Kindle library. But all in all, I am so excited with... Of course, it's new. I bought this because... You know, from books, I somewhat switched to ebooks because it's more practical. One book would cost me almost 1,000 peso, and you know, ebook, it's not so much, it's not a lot, but I will still read a book. But I think I will do most of my reading with ebook. That's why I bought this. While we are waiting for my app to load, I'm going to update you with my reading this June. I am reading 3 books. I have, can you see this? The Whisper Man by, who's the author? Alex North. And also The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I am doing a lot of progress with Evelyn Hugo. I'm liking the book. Evelyn was married with 7 husbands, and right now I am currently with her 2nd husband. You know, it didn't end well, and I am kind of shocked because I didn't expect that Evelyn was a member of LGBT. She was bisexual, and it kind of made my reading more interesting. As for The Whisper Man, Alex North, I am not so much with reading suspenseful thriller genre, but I think I'm going to explore it right now. And the last book that I'm reading was The Black Flamingo by Dean Atta. Honestly, I have just read the Kindle sample. I haven't bought it yet. I'm going to buy it as soon as I finish the 2 books that I'm currently reading right now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or suggestions as to what are the books that you're reading right now, or what are the books that you want me to read. I am willing to read your book suggestions, and that's all. I'll see you soon.